Okay, so in a previous video I said I would cover off the fitting of the lip, so I'll just go over that now for you. So I didn't actually fit this lip. The body kit that painted the kit for me fitted it, and I'm just as well that they did, because when they went to fit it after they'd painted it, they actually cracked all the paint getting this section in. This section sort of, if you imagine you're looking at the thing sideways, this bit here, it's sort of like that, and it pushes over the existing bumper, so it wraps round and underneath here, and that's got sort of clamping force on it. Now they actually had to heat this up and to get it to be a bit more malleable to fit, and then they fitted that and then repainted it. It's bonded on with a special glue that they used to, it basically melts plastic to plastic, so this is never coming off. But to get this nice tight fit, they had to gently heat this, and obviously in a body shop they've got sort of warm oven room and things where they do painting and stuff to make that a bit easier to do. So they had to heat this section up to lay flat. Now when I test fitted that was quite a bit proud, so they've done a really good job there. Now, knowing what I know now with the problems that they had, I wouldn't have attempted to spray and fit this myself, or I would have fitted it to the bumper and then sprayed the whole bumper and the lip together. But I didn't have to do that. I did get the bumper sprayed at the same time, as I say, and then they've fitted it all, so that's fine. And it comes around here, and then there's a couple of self-tapping screws on the return on the inside there. Underneath, there's lugs underneath. Okay, yeah, so there we go. So you can see underneath here there's lugs, there's one there all the way along, and they screw into the existing bumper. I think there's another one there, yeah, see, so there's another one there. You can see the existing bumper, and then these here come across. Let's see if I can focus that a bit better. There we go. And then these come across from the lip and attach on. I mean, this is solid. Now, I have driven it, shall we say, at speed since, and I think there is an actual difference to the handling of the car. At high speed, I've thought it tended to be quite light at the front, but I think that makes a difference in making it more stable at the front at speed. Other people will perhaps disagree and say, well, actually what this is doing is scooping air up and into here, and then that's, you know, I know car aero and drag and all that kind of thing is a really complicated thing, but all I can say is, from my view as the driver, I think there is a difference to that. The facelift cars do come with these here, which are fitted in front of the wheels, which do disrupt the air underneath, which do help with that sort of light feeling. So yeah, there's also with the fitting of this, if you're fitting it yourself, it wraps around this line here, and then there is a body line here, and you can just sort of see the evidence of that there, and that's essentially your guide to where that fits to. So if you're fitting it yourself or your body shop, just make sure they follow that line. Now the body shop who fitted this, the other side is just dropped slightly by about ½ inch. There's nothing I can do about that now. As I say, the glue they use bonds it firmly, it kind of melts it to the existing bumper, so yeah, that just is what it is, and I'll have to live with that, and that's fine. You know, done is better than perfect in some respects, as I've heard, and it is on, and I am very pleased with it. So I think that's about it for covering that. This is as I say, this centre section is going to be the thing I think that causes you the most grief in getting it to lay flat. When I test fitted it, this was perfectly fine and flat to the bumper. Any questions, let me know. Leave me a comment in the comment section, and I'll get some as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.